Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Casablanca Saturn ceiling fan. Got this in 2 months ago for somebody, and I got it in because I was fixing it for them. I had to reset the motor housing, put it back into place. I converted it over to 3-speed, so that's why there's a CFL in there. And then I also converted the socket to be a single bulb socket instead of the 3 halogen bulbs. And I put a reverse switch in it right there, the vents. And yeah, a lot's been done to this fan. It's been polished and pounded, new bearings, new wiring, the leads, put new leads in, new control, converted the socket over. I spray painted all the screws because they're rusted, so now they're just flat black. And yeah, anyways, we'll start with the light now. Since I have a CFL bulb in it, the dimming capability isn't great, so it doesn't dim too much. It starts to strobe, you can see. Oh, now it's dimming. Oh yeah, now it's strobing. Just low. I'm running it off of a 3-speed wall control. This fan used to be 6-speed IntelliTouch, but it is now 3-speed wall control. Any wall control can work on this fan, but this is the one I am including with the sale of the fan. Here's medium. We'll go to high now. Has a slight wobble because one of the blades is loose. Should go away once I tighten it. Here's spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.